skirting luxury today, man.
Oh, I can't wait to have some cactus.
Oh. Watch this.
Oh, what is that?
It's like 8 o'clock, and me and P-Boy are gonna go meet up with Uncle Joel.
Why isn't it focusing?
And
There we go.
come on, do your job. We're gonna go meet up with Uncle Joel and the Platform Boys and do some late night some late night tooge. We're gonna go do some tooge, dude. Pretty exciting, man. Me and P-Boy are gonna do some skids. You know, we've only ever done some parking lot donuts, but we're hitting the fucking tooge tonight. Uncle Joel's actually got a car that he's gonna let us maybe drive tonight. We'll see. We might be doing some skids. We'll get some. We'll definitely get some footage, and you know, maybe some side by side. You know, really close up. You know, tandems. Get some tandem footage for sure. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy, man. I'm excited. What else? I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, Adam is unfortunately not with us today.
He quit Moist Boys.
Yeah, he's gone. He sold the coupe.
Got a Genesis.
Because it was only a matter of time. That was Sean. It was only a matter of time before Adam sold the coupe. So he actually, yeah, like Colby said, he bought himself a Genesis, and he's actually, yeah.
He engine flip kitted.
He flip kitted and neochrome wrapped it and everything. I don't know.
So now he thinks he's better than us.
Yeah, we'll check back in when we're almost at the spot and then doing skids.
We got Noah.
Dude, throttle. Oh, reverse is forward twice. With the lever. That's forward. That's forward.
A couple times. Mine doesn't do it right away.
Alright, so it's the next day. Me and Colby got back from the late night tooge, you know. Uncle Joel's car actually wasn't running.
Yeah.
So,
Shit was in the shop.
yeah, Ben let us drive his. And we both crashed into the wall a couple times, so sorry about it. Anyways, today,
We're gonna finish up the wing.
P-Boy's got a wing he's gonna put on his car. Looks really bad, Colby.
I don't even know what that is because it
Cooked, man.
wasn't on there before. I think that's paint splatter.
Maybe. P-Boy also got skirts that don't fit very well, but so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Is we gotta fix these up because there's some cracks. We're just gonna lay some fiberglass, and
Then we'll paint them soon.
we're gonna cut the studs off this wing. Do a little testicle fit on Colby's car. It's raining pretty hard, so we can't stick it unless the rain dies down. But we gotta cut 3 studs out. And
No, only 2.
there's 3 on there, Colby. A little update on the SR. Painted the trans, FES spec. Got everything back together. FES spec. Redid the harness and hockey tape. And what else did I do? Cleaned up the strut bar. Painted it black. Shalom.
Should paint it gold.
Not too much, man.
Nah, it'd be sick.
I also ordered an XTD clutch kit, like a lightweight flywheel. 6-puck, stage 3.
Stage 3.
Race car, dude. Fire! So yeah, that's coming in. The PBM high mount's coming in, and then I think that's everything I need, and then we'll do the swap. So there's just a hole right here. It's not fire. So what we're gonna do, a bodywork expert here, don't even worry about it. I'm gonna lay some tape right here. Mint, dude. Okay, now we need something to mix our resin in. Slammed my head really hard into the wall when we were doing skids last night.
And these are M-Tech 1 replicas. That's why they don't fit.
Yes, they fit like sh**. They fit really bad. We tried test fitting them, and like the actual skirt itself is like an inch too short.
I think if we just like mount one side and stretch it,
yeah, no, it'll be fine. We'll figure it out.
she'll go on.
It's not rock, it's fitment, but it's close. Got our resins. That feels really hard. I don't know the ratio, so we're just gonna guess, okay?
Custom build, hit us up if you want bumpers. We'll make them.
Yes. Let's get a couple strips cut here, dude. Pre-cut.
Ooh.
Ooh, that was way too much. It came out quick, man. That's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. I know what I'm doing.
Couple drops of that.
I'm not putting this in because I have no idea what the ratio is. That's probably way too much. But
Just like a couple drops in the bottom, so.
where'd the brush go, man?
Right here. Oh yeah, mix it real good.
It's like already hardening, man.
See how be quick.
Put way too much hardener in. Okay. Come now. Welcome to the body shop. Let's go through upstairs. Pretty good. Pretty professional. Fuck. You know, it's 3 layers of fiberglass, a little bit of resin. We're gonna do that side now. It's got 2 cracks there. We're gonna do this side. Lay some Bondo on this one. You wanna cover up those body lines with Bondo? Take 5 seconds.
The big lines.
We're just filling with Bondo. You have Bondo skirts, dude. Fire.
I think it makes more air, you know, like airflow can go through there.
Yeah, it's like a passage for air.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I need to cut some more strips and pour some more resin. We'll do less hardener this time. Be more responsible with it. Okay, so we laid all the fiberglass on the skirts. Fixed them up. We'll let that dry. We're gonna cut these studs off the wing. You might have to hold this, Colby. Because I gotta cut kind of like into it. So it lays flat. Safeties. Where are the safeties? We do not have any safeties.
Where are the sunnies?
Where are they? Oh, right on.
Sick fitment.
I know, right? It's fire. Okay.
How am I filming this?
I don't know. Set the camera up right there on the tripod. Let's test fit it, dude.
Oh, the cubes, dude. It matches pretty well, eh?
Not terrible. Is it on there flat enough?
Yeah.
Dude, it looks so sick. No, that looks dirty, man.
Plus with the skirts, too.
That's clean, man.
Pretty clean, man.
That looks really good. Hey, Dad.
Dad!
Come here. It's not on there yet, but what do you think of that?
Not too bad.
Looks pretty sick, hey?
It's not on yet. It's got
Tape or anything.
I'm so proud of it. Oh, yes.
Oh. Looks good. Let's clear coat the underneath because the double-sided tape will stick better to clear coat than just bare fiberglass. Looks like it matches so good on camera.
Yeah. It's no shining.
Alright, so we're gonna lay some clear coat. This 3M tape's not gonna stick very well with this. So if you lay clear on it, it'll stick a lot better. So I'm gonna bomb some of this on there real quick. That's all you need. Let that dry. And we'll go fire it on, eh? Dirty mod?
Dirty mod.
Looks good. Taped up in the back there. We got an umbrella and a rag. So we're gonna mount it in the rain.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna absorb the water.
Oh, look at this, really wet. Fuck, that's done. It's too wet. We're going back. We need to find a different rag.
So, that rag didn't work, so we got a bigger one. Try this again.
Oh, this might work, dude.
It's drying pretty good. Hey, you gotta go faster, man.
Okay, hurry up, dude. You're not pushing hard enough. That's why I feel like bored.
You gotta cover me, though. You gotta cover it. Like,
I'm trying, man.
I'm gonna try.
We need a bigger umbrella. Okay, dude, this might actually work. Hang on, it's not dry, it's not dry, it's not dry. Fuck, move the wing.
Really mid.
Alright, it's dry enough. Fire it on, fire it on. Line it up, nice.
Come over more. Ready?
Yeah, take it.
The back, you gotta come back there.
Huh? No, that's not. Yeah, because the curve is so different. Because it's not meant for an E30, obviously.
Yeah, but you think it's gonna stick?
No. I don't know, man. Whatever, I have more tape. When it dries, we'll just take it off and try it again. Looks sick, though. Man, it's not going to sit flat.
I think if we tape the corners. Alright, hopefully nobody steals it.
Actually. Dude, it looks aggressive, bro. No, it looks really sick. Alright, me and Colby gotta go bomb some quizzes, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. We did some skids, we put a wing on, fixed some side skirts. Next video on the E30, we'll mount the side skirts. We'll paint them and mount them.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
Comment what you think of the wing.
It looks really good. We gotta figure out a better way to mount it because the 3M tape is... Because it's a garage Taurus wing, so it's not meant for an E30.
Yeah. Someone's definitely ripping that off.
Yeah,
some rock bay hooker will rip it off.
Yeah, big time. Hit a bump and it'll fly off and someone will run over it. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Next video, lay some Bondo on these, paint them, paint them red, mount them on the car. It's coming along. It's mods. Right on. Until next time.
See you, boys.
The boys will try to hit a million K up on that YouTube. The best kind.